In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the LitterRobot4. First, you'll have to come to the LitterRobot4. If you have to do something to it, you basically have to come in front to the front of it. You can definitely use your app to do some basic things, but if you have to clean it, you still have to physically come here. So if we look into the globe, you will see there's a line over there. This line indicates the maximum amount of the litter you can use and you can put into the globe. So right now it's a little bit low, not actually, it's just like you can still add a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, there are 5 buttons here. The first one is the power. You don't usually need to use that. The second one is the cycle. So when you press this, it will automatically it will manually clean the LitterRobot once, and reset is something important we have to do, because once you add more litter into it or clean the drawer, you will have to press reset to let the machine know that it has to recalibrate the weight. And empty is when you find the litter is really too dirty to be cleaned. You can just press empty, and then everything in this globe will be dumped without going through the filter. And then connect. This is basically for the Wi-Fi function, and usually you want it to stay on. So right now we can see sometimes it's not always very clean. Like there, you will see a little bit of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more litter. So I have my litter here, and you can add a little bit more. And because I put something into the globe already, so you will see the LitterRobot will think that there's a cat getting into it, so it will become red. And then so what you have to do is to do reset, because you add something new into it or take something out of it, so you have to recalibrate, and then press cycle. So once you press cycle, you'll manually start. And all the litter that is not that big chunk will go into this chamber to prevent it from getting into the drawer, the waste bin. And as you can see, there will be some residue over there. So what I usually do is when I manually clean it, I'll let it rotate, and then the trash bin, the waste bin will show. At this moment, you can use your scoop to manually scoop down the residue from inside of the globe, and it will just drop into this waste bin. And just like that, it will then rotate back, and all the litter will just go back into the globe. And if you press the empty button, it will actually rotate the other side, so it will not go into that small chamber. It will just go the other direction, all the way into the waste bin. And sometimes cats will pee a bit high to the places there that you can see there's a lot of reflection there. That will probably be their cat pee. So you could also use your scoop to manually brush some litter up there to clean that. Yeah, and then I'm going to show you the trash bin. So once you open the trash bin, you will see the waste over there, and then you can just take it out and then tight it, and then put the new liner or liner. I don't know how to say this. Anyway, the waste back the fresh one into it and then put it back. So just as I said, because if you open it and close it, the weight, if you take it out, the weight will be different. So you do have to let your LitterRobot to know that you have to recalibrate again. And that's it. That's basically all you have to know. And sometimes you would see it flashing different colors. That means it's probably a little bit confused by itself. What you have to do is to reset and power off and power on. And most of the problems will be solved.